Today I have beautiful Lucy with me. I am really excited to help her out. She decided that she didn't love her hair in her face. Huh, sweetheart? She smiled. So anyway, she did some cutting on her own. And so I'm just going to show you guys. She's so sweet. She and her mom to let us show how to fix a haircut. From a little one. Okay, so you can see where she's cut up into here. Okay, and then I will go this way. And she's cut into here. So after talking to her mom and Lucy, she is okay if we bring the length up to try to start to make it even on the sides where she had cut it off. So I'm just gonna wet this down a little bit. Okay, now sit up straight. Good job, girl. You are awesome. Okay, now I'm gonna put her head down. Okay, if you'll put your chin right there. Good job. Good job. Okay, so now you can see that that length is there. I'm going to bring it up almost to that length. So I'm gonna spray that a little bit more. How you doing, Lucy? Good. Okay, can you look down for me one more time? Good job. If you just keep your head right there for just a minute. Okay, we're gonna come straight across. Okay, same with this side. And what this will do is it will help it grow out, obviously more even. And to be honest, it'll just make her hair thicker to just take this length off right now and grow it. Okay, now when I get to the side, I'm just gonna tilt her head. Good job, just right there. Turn her this way, okay, tilt your head. And then we'll just take those. Okay, see, that's already starting to blend a lot better on that side. Okay, now we're gonna put your head down, Lucy. Good job. I'm gonna spray this. And then I'll show you guys around the front with her bang area, what we're gonna do and why we do it. Okay, go ahead and put your head down. Good job. You're doing awesome. And just watch for littles to keep their head down or where their head is positioned. Because if their head is down when you cut the sides, it'll go shorter. Okay, so here's her chin. See, it's straight. Good job, Lucy. And then I'm gonna tilt your head this way. Good job. Look at you. A little bit more. Tilt. Yeah, just like that. That's perfect. So you can see there's more length on this side. Yeah, so that's what happens when little girls don't want hair in their face sometimes. Oh, Lucy. Okay, so we're just gonna make sure these are even. A little bit right here. Okay, and here. Okay, now since she's cut some shorter through here, what we're gonna do is we are going to take from the bang area and we're gonna come around and shape her face. Okay, so we're gonna take this corner off. Peekaboo. You doing good? Huh, little Miss Lucy? You're doing really good to get your hair cut. Do you know that? And can you tell them out there, what do you get when you're all done? because you've been so good getting your hair cut. A treat. Yeah, that's awesome. And sweet little Lucy is going to be 4, aren't you? Okay, so I'm just coming down her sides. To try to blend that more. Okay, and I'm going to turn her this way. Okay, sit up. There you go. Good job. Just going to blend this corner a little bit. Okay, and now this side, same thing. And then I'm going to do her bangs, and then we're going to double check her sides. Okay, look up. Good job. So you can see we're wanting to connect this and this. So my fingers are going to go on an angle. And the reason why this is so good, not only to, blend in those shorter pieces that are cut, but she doesn't love her hair done, and like most little girls. Anyway, and what we're gonna do here is take her bangs shorter because her mom says she doesn't like her hair done and she doesn't love it in her face. So if your child doesn't love hair in their face and they don't want anything done, then my suggestion is definitely do some bangs so it's out of their face, and go around their face with the layering. That way it's not hanging in their face. Oh, look how cute you are, Lucy. You're doing amazing. Is that kind of cool? Yeah. Okay, can you look up at RaDona? Thank you. You're gorgeous. Okay. So same thing. Bangs. You got gorgeous eyes, sweetheart. Okay, so this side, I'm gonna come in, take a little bit more off. Keep your head back this way. My goodness, you're doing awesome. You are doing so good. Okay, so that's really starting to blend those shorter pieces. Can you look right up here? Good job. See how cute that is? It's starting to blend really good right there and by your face. Got the sweetest face. Oh, sweet Lucy. Okay, now this side. We're coming on this side, taking the bang shorter. Because we don't like it in our face, do we, Lucy? No way. Okay, and then I'm gonna come over, take a little bit more off this one, just to match the other side. Okay, I'm gonna turn her a little bit. Can you look at RaDona again? Thank you, sweetheart. You're awesome. Such a good girl. So just double check each side. I'm just trying to blend those sides in with those shorter pieces. Okay, can you look at RaDona one more time? You are the best. Did you know that? You were like the best little girl to get your hair cut. You are amazing. And you get to pick out a treat. Wowza. What are you going to be for Halloween? Hey. Did you know? Are you excited? A witch! Oh my gosh, a witch is going to be so much fun. I love that. Is your hat so cute? Oh, that's going to be awesome. You are going to be a pretty witch. Okay, look up at RaDona, please. Oh, cute. Okay. All right. Okay, I'm just trying to make sure that we're blending these sides good with the shorter pieces. So I'm just coming back through to take a little bit more off by her cheek area so it blends from the cute bang area down. Okay, and this side. Oh my goodness, Lucy, look at you. Okay, do you care if I use the blow dryer? Is that okay? Okay, it's just gonna be a little bit loud. Can you hear that? Is that okay? Okay, look, I'm just gonna do this, okay? Around your face. Oh, it's gonna be so cute. So after we dry this, what I'm gonna do is double check everything, see how it falls, you know, when it's dry, because sometimes when it's wet, it'll fall a little different than when it's dry. So we're just going to dry these two sides and the back. And then, Lucy, when I'm done with that, I'll turn you around and you can see your cute new haircut, okay? Are you excited? A cute new haircut to go with the witch for Halloween? We're just gonna come and dry these things a little bit. Okay, now I'm gonna turn it louder, okay? We'll just hurry and dry this part. You're doing good, Lucy. You're almost done, sweetheart. You have done so good. Hi. Are you excited to pick a treat? Yeah, that's gonna be fun, isn't it? You can see how thick this back looks. Like I said, just cutting that off will really help her hair come in even thicker. Okay, almost done, Lucy. Okay. Oh, so cute. Okay, so while her head is down, I'm going to show you guys something. If it's not all the way down when you cut, there can be a few little pieces, and I want to show you guys what that looks like. See this tiny area? That means, okay, can you look down for me, sweet girl, right there? Good job. That means that there's this tiny layer here if their head isn't down all the way. So just double check that when you dry it so you can get it extra straight. That's just a little key, because sometimes if their little head isn't down all the way, which, hi, she's almost 4, she is doing excellent. Just to double check that, just so it's extra straight. Lucy, I am so proud of you. You are the best girl. Okay, now you can put your head up. Oh, that looks so nice and thick and straight. Okay, now, just gonna take Is this fun getting your hair cut? It is good. Well, I am glad that you are being the best little girl. Guess what? Little girls that are watching this video are going to be like, wow, I want to be like Lucy because you're such a good girl and hold so still. Okay, now we're going to come to this side. And we're just going to take this in so it frames her face. Super cute with those shorter layers that were cut in there. And now you're going to never know that she cut inches off. It'll be just a cute, cute haircut. I'm so proud of you. Okay, Lucy, do you want to see in the mirror? Do you like it? You do? Does it feel good? How cute it is. Does it feel better out of your eyes? And it's not falling in your face? Yay! Okay, so this is a great haircut for littles that don't want you to do much with their hair and to keep it out of their eyes and their face. So anyway, thank you, Lucy, for letting me show your cute haircut. I love it. If you want to go back in and do anything else, when you see it dry, that's the time to do it. So, okay, thank you, Lucy. Can you tell everybody bye? Say bye. Bye. She's waving under her cake. Look, I'll do this. Bring your little hand out. There you go. See ya. See ya. See ya. Thank you so much, you guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope it helps. Have a good day. See ya.